course, they've had some trouble getting that money out of private equity over the past couple of years. And now private credit is the rage. And more capital, as a result, is flowing into illiquid vehicles. Why do you believe in liquidity when everyone else, right, from Apollo to BlackRock, is extolling the virtues and the benefits of private markets?
Yeah, so over the last, again, we typically are benchmarked against the typical largest U.S. endowments. But over the last 6 years, we actually let our private equity positions roll off. We still allocated to the best managers, but with a really high bar. So we lost about 1,000 basis points of exposure there, which, to be clear, has served us really well. And at the same time, we pivoted to public markets. And it's interesting. I think a lot of both high net worth and institutional investors pivoted to private markets in part because you didn't get a scorecard every day, and your Sharpe ratio and the returns looked artificially good. And by doing that, first of all, I think those investors are in a world of hurt right now, both in context of liquidity and in the context of they've massively lagged a equity market that has until the last couple of weeks been on fire. But the other thing is, if you're Soros Fund Management and you have a long-term perspective in public markets, you have a lot less competition because it's most of the active money is large multi-strat investors